Hello and welcome to another Grooveworks video. I'm Kieran Kuskopf and today we're going to be having a look at the triple stroke roll, which looks like this. So this sticking pattern is pretty simple as well. We've just got right, 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 left, 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 and so on. And just like with the single stroke and double stroke, when you first start out, you just want to be making sure that you're not seizing up at the wrist, that the tip of the stick's coming back, and you're not using all of your arm for all three notes. But as we get faster, just like with the double stroke roll, how are we using the wrist and then the fingers to get those notes out a little bit quicker? This time we're using the wrist for first note and then the fingers for the last two notes. So it looks like this: wrist, fingers, fingers, wrist, fingers, fingers. And that last note there is probably the most important. This is the one you've really got to grab in with the fingers to get the dynamics. Otherwise the dynamics kind of peter off and it sounds a little bit more like this. So that's kind of the action of the fingers. The purpose of the fingers in this rudiment is to kind of keep the dynamics even the whole way through. 1, 2, 3. But that is the triple stroke roll in a nutshell. So we'll leave it there and I'll see you next time.